Hi everyone, I'm Atamiao. Next I'll explain to you our smart PBR engine, self-developed shader. For this game engine version, I'm using Unreal 5.7. Our smart PBR tool, it supports versions 5.4 to 5.7. Now I've selected my scene object. I'll use this object shader to give an example explanation. Open my material. Here in the material panel, you can see many written functions. They will be optimized and added later. First, look at the base color function. In the base color function, we can adjust its UV tiling, rotation, and offset. Next is the MIO part. To make it easier to observe, I switch the preview mode here. We can first observe our left, roughness into metal parts. In the MIO channel, there are three values to adjust. First is the black and white contrast. Next is the upper and lower limits. Let's use metal as an example. If I want to adjust metal to make it white, we directly adjust the limit values. We can observe that if the upper limit is 1, the other mask's value should be 0. This will present a pure white. Let's take a look at the roughness, how we should adjust it. If I want the stone texture scene to appear black, we just adjust it the opposite way. Then, we adjust the contrast a bit. So we get the scenes appearing black. Next is the AO part. We can directly observe object. I directly adjust the contrast here. You can see the scenes getting darker. Next is the normal part. The normal part is very simple. You can purely adjust its contrast. Next is the displacement map option. We designed a switch to turn on the non-light displacement. When creating non-light displacement, remember to convert the model to non-light. I convert my model to non-light first. After converting to non-light, you can turn on the switch for the shader. We check it. And we can start adjusting. Next, these four options represent. First, the displacement depth adjustment. Next, the black and white contrast, and the detail adjustment of the crevices. Start adjusting here. I'll adjust it to this result for now, for everyone to see. If you want the scene to present a better effect, remember to bevel the model's edges and set the hard and soft edges to soft. Then the displacement map will look better. Next is the emissive map part. Our emissive map is off by default. When the system finds an emissive map, it will automatically turn it on for you. I'll turn it on to demonstrate here. Here you can paste your emissive map. Once you have the emissive map texture, you can set its color and intensity. I'll turn it off for now here. The current shader of functions are developed up to this stage. More interesting features will be added. Hope you all can support it. If you have any suggestions for the Unreal shader function, feel free to write to me. That's my shader development intro.
Thank you for watching. I am Tamil.